how to use Cash App Overdraft. So here's how it works. In order to use Overdraft, you will need to load up the Cash app and then click on the bank icon in the bottom. Then scroll down or up, it doesn't matter. You will see the option for your card and you will need to get a free Cash App debit card. Now, once you click on get your free card, then here you can choose how you would like to customize it, and basically you will need to order it. So once you order the free card and you have received it, then you will see a section for the card itself here. And all you need to do is to click on the card itself and you will select overdraft coverage. And if you make purchases which go over your balance, depending on the limits which you are given by Cash App, so Cash App is going to track your spending and give you specific limits for overdraft, which you can use. And all you need to do is to just continue using your Cash App card. And if you use it enough, then you will have a higher overdraft limit. And that way, if you go over the limit, it is not an issue. And that's how overdraft works. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.